Picasso will pick up the first possession. Mainit agad! So 1v1 KOTI in the blue app. Tied ball game at 1. 2:30 left. Picasso following. Kobe! 2-1 lang ang ating official score with 2:15 left. Kitang-kita naman natin, tie ball game. And Picasso. Kobe! He's now leading by 2 points. Asa Ali! 2-3 na ang scoring dito sa huling minuto ng laban na ito between Picasso and Asa Ali. Asa Ali takes the lead for the first time. Score. Picasso, crunch time, fall away again. Does he have ice on his veins for the win? Bang! Picasso will advance to the next round. Congratulations. Ganyan katindi. Unang laban pa lang here in Pateros.